This is part 6 of our video, and here we will talk about business use of home expenses. According to the CRA, you can deduct those expenses as long as you meet one of the following conditions. Number 1, it is your principal place of business, or you use the space only to earn business income and use it on a regular basis to meet with your clients, customers, or patients. So if you don't have your office in downtown and work from home, the rules are simple. You may be able to deduct a percentage of your home expenses, such as property taxes, utility bills, mortgage interest, and home depreciation. To calculate the portion you can deduct, just divide the area of the workspace by the total area of your home. If you rent your home, you can deduct the percentage of your rent and any related expenses.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's say your house is 1800 square feet and your office space is 220 square feet. We simply divide 220 by 1800, which is 12.2%. So 12.2% of the household expenses we mentioned above are deductible against the business income.
What if I use a part of my home for business and partly for personal living?
In that case, you should calculate how many hours in the day you use that home for your business, and then divide it by 24 hours. Then multiply the result by the business part of your total home expenses. This will give you the household cost you can deduct. If you run your business for only part of the week or the year, prorate that amount accordingly. I know it may sound a bit complicated. You can check our website 77taxes.com for all the calculations.
What if I have an office elsewhere and also sometimes work from home?
Remember what we talked about at the beginning. In this case, you should use the space only to earn business income, and you should use it regularly to meet with your client, customers, or patients, which means you cannot put a computer in your bedroom and call it your office.
What is the reasonable percentage that I can deduct?
It depends on the nature of your business. In case you have a home office and also store equipment or supplies in your basement or garage, for example, that percentage could be as high as 18–20%. But for most businesses, it would not exceed 10%. It could be more in case you rent an apartment, but be very careful when calculating that percentage. If you are too aggressive, the CRA might want to ask you questions. So remember those wonderful words, common sense. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions.